So Nvidia is trading right now at $98 and the entire stock market is in absolute shock. So what we will gonna do with Nvidia? So guys, first of all, honestly, here's the daily chart for Nvidia and we are seeing where Nvidia is heading exactly. So by that, we will decide what we're gonna do with Nvidia. And if you're holding any long-term position like I am doing, of course, on my another account, so I'm doing. So this Nvidia is flushing down and having a nasty steep fall. So where I'm seeing Nvidia really heading, I'm seeing Nvidia heading towards probably even $90 level. So if Nvidia really heads to the $90 level, of course that will become the double bottom. So if it hits the double bottom, of course it can really bounce back from this area and really make a nice recovery. So, and also see here today's realized profit is $83,566 on Nvidia. Well, guys, if you want to day trade, swing trade the long term, you can come and join the group down at the link below, and you can trade with us and make money consistently every single day. So even you can make this money, of course, but depends your account size, always depends on that. Of course, I have for the long term, for the swing trade, for the day trades, I have separate accounts so you can have the same. Anyways, if you want to learn more and more, you can join the group, and in the group you have all the information what you need. It's just less than $20 and that doesn't take a lot, and there are only limited seats available, and you can lock up that price for per month, which is less than $20. Of course, with that, spending $20 and making money monthly more by trades and all, believe me, you will not regret. No one needs your money. Those are all your money. When you trade, no one needs your money, but I'm only telling you to take right trades when it comes to trade. Don't lose money in market. So well, going back to Nvidia, I'm seeing Nvidia on a very nasty fall here down to $90. But I think I realized one thing on Nvidia here on a 4 hours chart here. Look at this Nvidia. It's trying to make that downfall on the same pattern as it did on this side here. Pump and dump. The same pump and dump. So these two patterns, they are going to repeat the same. Well, if it falls honestly below $90, that could really end up around $85. Of course, still it's really not hurtful for Nvidia because of the market cap, what is it really having. Well, these kind of patterns, what you're seeing here, what I'm seeing here, and I think Nvidia is heading down towards $90. So you might be really thinking, oh, so this might be a short position. I can take a short position. Well, never do that because market can turn on the upper side at any given second. So never do that and never ever take that kind of risk. So that's why I'm telling you, if you want to trade with us, have live updates and everything, come to the group. You can join, and the link is down in the description below, and you can trade consistently with us and have all the market updates, portfolio updates, and so you can see my portfolio and what I'm holding, what I'm buying, what I'm selling, what I'm buying, what I'm selling. You can see the entire thing. So $90 is on the range, but if it goes really honestly brutally, it goes honestly very bad. That will be below $90. Is $85. So I want to talk about something about market, what the market is doing exactly here. Let's go to S&P 500 chart here and see here S&P 500 trying the same damn thing. But I'm really afraid that if it really tries the same pattern around here, S&P 500 will have a steep fall, which will be below this support. So let's say the support is here, and if has that steep fall, it might even go to 500 points. So if it goes to 500 points, that'll be, believe me, it'll be really nasty. It'll be massive panic selling around the market, which we never want to see that. Of course, if that happens, the same like COVID times, wow, we are officially in recession. So be careful with your portfolios. Don't use a lot of margin. Of course, if you want to buy stocks and all, take advantage of this cheaper price on all stocks. Try to use cash. Why to just go margins, just get burnt out, right? Save your money, save your capital, never gamble the market. That's what I'm telling you. If you want to know more in details, come down to the group. And in our group, we trade all beautiful blue chip stocks, and we make money consistently every single day. And so you get all the updates, when to trade, when not to trade, to protect your capital, when not to approach the market, when to approach the market, so that in that sense you can really protect your capital and you can make money consistently by trading safe or investing safe. So that's what I'm seeing actually. S&P 500, I'm really afraid that if it goes with this kind of pattern here, on this kind of pattern, so I'm afraid that S&P 500 will come down to 500 points, which will be around, damn. Let me just draw that horizontal line for you here, which will be around this level. So if it really comes down to this level, that will be really nasty. Of course, not so nasty as you really think, but again, I'm telling you, all this pump, what you saw here around like May or June area, this will really flush in one single solid month. Of course, we thought that August is starting, and in August, of course, we will have nice rebound in the market. But again, as you know, Japanese case in Japan, how the markets are really crashing and the yen is falling, of course, compared to dollar, and that's what really it's creating a new history even in the US stock market. Because one thing you know that it's very clear, history always gets repeated. So maybe this time it's getting repeated, you never know. But again, we'll see the clear picture probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We'll see the more clear picture. I just don't want to make it some stupid video, market is crashing, all this kind of stuff. Unless and until I see the clear picture, honestly, I will never ever alert you. If I see a clear picture, of course I will alert you. But before that, I alert to my group before, only then I alert to the videos and all. But in the group, of course, I alert more in detail, so what to do, what not to do, and so you can take the precautions as well. So let's get back to Nvidia right here. Nvidia, I'm thinking here in $90, okay, can be a safe landing to $90, but again, below 90, what I'm seeing here is $85, so which is around like this kind of levels, here below 90. So that will be, honestly, that will be very brutal flush on Nvidia. So be careful what you're trying to do with Nvidia. Of course, you might be excited and just add more and more shares. Of course you can add, but again, try to use more cash and less margin. And if you have the market confirmation, of course, then go heavy on Nvidia. But try to be safe on every single side and save your portfolio, save every penny in the market. Don't lose money, guys. Don't gamble in the market. Make money. So that's why when you come to the group, you can trade with us, make money. You don't have to share your money with anyone. But of course, I'm keeping this less fees for the group, all because I don't want my group to get filled with the garbage. That's the only reason. So thank you so much, guys. Probably see you in the next video. And Nvidia, of course, is crashing and honestly selling out brutally. So if I go to your 5-minute charts today here, look at this nasty fall here. Look at this nasty fall. Couldn't even imagine that Nvidia honestly would really react like this. here, from here, if you see here, Nvidia was looking absolutely on a very nice curl back up. But you saw here at some point when it gave that really nice bounce back, I thought it would really bounce back, but no, this was a massive fail on Nvidia today, and that gave the entire stock market the massive shock. So guys, be careful with the portfolios, and Nvidia, I think so, honestly, not just Nvidia, entire stock market is really shaky right now. Be careful with your money. Thank you so much. Probably see you in the next video.